Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with an early rising show with coffee, crypto, and cannabis stocks, with none other than the Bitcoin block bully and my man Jbino. Bino, what's going on out there?
What's going on, family? How's everything?
Man, everything is well. Trying to look and see what this recovery is talking about. Um, Not only in the stock game, but in the crypto space. I mean, for the most part, on the crypto side of things, I know we got pretty much the top 20 coins are stagnant right now. The only thing that's jumping off in the crypto space more so are the altcoins, which I think needs to be more attention brought to. Whereas everyone, I think, is waiting for pretty much waiting for Bitcoin and some of the main coins to bust a move. A lot of questions I get asked daily, not about a eternity. It's not about Loom. It ain't about Theta Coin. It's about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. You know what I mean? No one's asking about these different alts that are over here doing anywhere from 50 to 200% within the last couple of weeks. So I think we can need to
Yeah,
check.
yeah.
I know it's a lot going on over there in the stock world right now. I don't know if you want to elaborate and bring people up to speed on what's been going on over the last couple of days.
Yeah, the stock market is itself in a whole is getting hit pretty bad. Cannabis stocks not looking too good either as far as your main ones. Same incident with like you said, you have a lot of these OTC stocks, which would be like altcoins that are running pretty hard on the cannabis side, but a lot of people still have their eyes on the main ones, like your Nasdaq ones, like Canopy Growth and Tilray and stuff like that. But it's still a couple, what I'm saying, cannabis stocks running just on the OTC side.
Okay. So we're definitely gonna take a look at them. Let's see. Starting off, in fact, hold on. Let me get over here. We are looking at Maker previously. Let me get to the top 20 real quick. I mean, pretty much, even when we look at the market cap, we pretty much stagnant at 209. It's been what? It's been what? 208, 211 at the most. You know what I'm saying? For the past like week or so.
That shit running hard.
I mean, just scrolling through without stopping on anything in particular, I can already see that it's a pretty bloody day today. IOTA's up zero point 0.6, which is nothing. Zcash coming in with 2.4% gains overnight, or within the last 24 hours, should I say. Um, Now, let me note this. We are right past our first 12 hours in the crypto space being UTC time. Right now, we are going on about, what, 1:30 p.m.? Yep, 1:30 p.m. within the crypto space. So, right now the market's taking a pretty good hit. We're gonna run through the top 20 no matter what. Ben, you got anything coming your way on the stock side as far as newsworthy or anything? Or we just gonna
Um,
run through the charts?
wait, well, one that's running pretty hard right now, Puration. I've been kind of watching this one all morning, been throwing out news all morning. One of the main news that they're throwing out is that they're declaring that they're going to start giving out a dividend as soon as November 15th. They're looking to give out a dividend.
Okay.
So,
Okay, that's new, right? They haven't been giving out any dividends previously. They haven't
no,
stopped
no,
them starting this the first time.
yeah, this will be their first time. And, this is a cannabis stock as well um, in the CBD infused drink space.
Uh
They
huh.
actually have a product of a CBD infused water. Um, but this stock is it's up 20% right now on the open, with a volume of 2.6 million. So it's got a little volume coming in. But I'm pretty sure it's running off of this news of them throwing out a dividend around November 15th.
Mm.
And somebody just put out a price target of 25 cent. It's running at it opened at 12 cent. It's already at 13 cent right now.
Mm. Okay. So real nice run already beginning. Let me. What's the ticker?
PURA. Now you going on trading view for that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's gonna show the full day because it's not gonna be I don't think it's gonna be real time. Go ahead, click
Okay.
on it right quick. Yeah, it's still yesterday's candlestick.
Okay.
So, but we did miss a nice little run on it. It's been running for quite some time. This is one of the ones when David's Tea and InBev and all of them came out with the CBD infused drinks.
Uh-huh.
This is one of them right there that also has a line of CBD infused products. One in particular being the water. So they were kind of running off of that hype as well. But they're still out here throwing out news with that dividend. So definitely want to look out for 'em.
Let me see. I know on the day chart, oh well, it's slow to come, but already I can see we had a run up and then we came down and rested almost solely right on top of the 38 retracement level. So I mean, we came down, we tested that 50 at first as always, couldn't hold, ended up breaking down. Now we got some. It seems like we got some pretty strong support right here. So I would love to see. So when will this? Let me see. What time is it? When is it supposed to catch up then?
Uh,
Trading view, anyways.
so I believe it's 15 minutes behind.
Okay,
If
so
you're
we
not on
just
real
started.
time.
So about 8:45, then we should be having some action over here. Let me see. Let me go back to BTC versus Tether USD. Oh no, hold on, wrong one. On Binance. Hey, what's real crazy is when we look at our downsloping trend line, right? That's damn near what caught our action when we broke out of it. You see it right here. All that action been like damn near glued to it, almost like that's crazy as hell. So we look at the whole move, and we see the downsloping trend line that's been stopping us from alleviating and going on with our journey.
Yeah,
And
it's been
that,
riding it.
yeah, end up riding it in the end. That's why I say. That's why I tell people like just to understand these like I say, pretty much the basics. You want to check out. Hold on, real quick. Let me screenshot this Litecoin giveaway. I forgot I still got it on my I had it. But the first things you want to be familiar with, in my opinion, are candlesticks. Understanding how they operate, the psychology behind them, not so much the patterns. You ain't got to know doji and all this other stuff. As long as you got a simple, basic understanding of how candlesticks work, and then on top of that, once you figure that out, you got to figure out your lines of support and resistance and what they are, and you got to understand that they are not separate but one and the same. They're just in different time frames. So let me see. Let me see. So for the most part, I'm talking about this is a squeeze like I don't think the world has seen with Bitcoin yet. You know what I mean? It's tight little range right here. Now I'm gonna tell you this much: it's definitely gearing up for something. It's definitely gearing up for something. What that is, I mean, people are saying it's gonna break to the upside. People are saying it's gonna break to the downside. Jbino, what you do you have a opinion on that? Or you pretty much just sit back and let it do?
Nah, it's definitely gonna have to make a decision. From what it's looking like, it looked like it might come down a little bit more, honestly. But what I'm saying, looking like we're gonna have this run here real soon.
Let's see. Let's try
But
to find some support levels where we could break down too. Let me see. We got 58, of course. This is about 54. In fact, we can just come down and retest. We just want to retest these wicks.
throwing that throwing the cycles right quick, if you don't
Okay.
mind, because it's been trailing on that blue fib.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, you can't see it that clear, so don't even worry about it.
Nah, I can see right here though. I'm gonna try to blow it up for the family.
Yeah, no, it's because the lines are dark on your side.
Ah, right.
You'd have to set it all up and everything like that.
It ain't gonna take no time. Just let me knock all these blue ones up real quick. Okay, so you talking about this blue right here?
Yep, yep. And I was on check it out on BTC USD Coinbase, the first one there.
Let me see. Oh yeah, it's real prominent on So yeah, it's what is that resistance? Yep, trying to crack and get on top of it.
Yeah. But what's today? We could definitely see definitely by the beginning of the month, you know what I'm saying? We should definitely see what's gonna happen. If it, breaks into a new cycle or whatever.
Now, what's
But
crazy? You see, it went clean off that top. You probably can't see it though. But it went clean off
no, no, I can see.
that top blue field. Now, one thing we got to be mindful of, family. The actual birthday. You know, a lot of people like to say Bitcoin's birthday was in January 2009, some shit like that. I don't know. But in my opinion, the actual if I'm not mistaken, the actual white paper was released on Halloween 2008.
Yeah, it was.
Right, right. So if we, saying tend to go off that, Satoshi Nakamoto, well, not Satoshi Nakamoto, but Bitcoin as we know it, the thought of was actually, well, what would I say? The inception of it was Halloween, or the conception. There we go.
Not, yeah. Because definitely the white paper is a full release of it. He had it in the works prior to that, but definitely the white paper is the release of Bitcoin itself.
Right. So I mean, are we going to see a positive reaction? We're coming up on a what 10-year anniversary. 10-year anniversary.
Yeah.
Ha.
From the jump, for like 2 months now, I was telling you, around November, I think that it was gonna pop off because that's where the squeeze was leading up to.
That's why I'm mad. I ain't got that original. Wait, what is this right here? I had this on Coinbase already.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. Where's the squeeze at on here? October 20th, 22nd. So we kind of let me see. We got positive momentum. Ah man, look at this though. It's like even on this right here, it's crazy. Hold on.
This is even squeezing. You see how, yeah, it's getting real tight in
Yeah,
here
I was
too.
gonna try to. In fact, I see what I'm doing wrong. Hold on. Let me see. Let me slide this. So we got a very, 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 very tight squeeze going on the MACD right now. I'm talking about damn near to it non-existent, like no momentum whatsoever. It's kicking this thing's ass. So if we're gonna look for any type of breakout, because what you don't want to do, hold on, what people don't want to do or don't want to see happen is a breakout on low volume. That's a
Oh yeah, that's no good.
yeah.
Definitely need volume.
And a lot of people are going to think, without being mindful of the volume, oh, we're going, let's go ahead and jump in, and that is not the right time to be jumping in. You want a couple of reinforcements anytime you're going towards a breakout. You definitely want reinforcements. 50 about right here. So we haven't even, we really ain't been past. We ain't been able to get no traction up here really whatsoever. We've tested, but then most of our action been below the 50 on the RSI. So I mean, Bitcoin got a lot of making up to do before people can start looking at it for now. Can this shit happen overnight? Yep, the thing
Oh
will
yeah,
just
of
go off.
course.
People wake up and honestly could wake up tomorrow and it'd be $10,000 of Bitcoin. It can go that fast, like it's ridiculous. Let me see, just real quick. Bitcoin at 64. Man, I don't even. This is pretty much the same thing I've been saying every day. Ethereum at 200, Ripple at 45 cents, Bitcoin Cash at $441, EOS is at 537, and everything's pretty much stagnant, stable, only down 1 to 2%. Stellar down 2.5 at 23 cents. Litecoin's at 52 cents. I mean $52.21. 111 down 111. Cardano's at 7 cents down 1.4. Tether 98 cents. Monero 105. Tron 2 cents. IOTA 49 cents. Dash $155. Binance Coin 966. Neo is 1650. Ethereum Classic 963. Neem is 9 cents down 2.7%. Tezos $1.34. Zcash coming in at $126, the only one with any type of significant gain within the top 20, having gains of 2.4. And then coming in last but not least, we got VeChain coming in at a penny down 3.6%. Like going a little bit past, we got Maker creeping its way on up within the top 20. You damn near quit bullshitting with y'all. You damn near see this in the top 20 within the next, I'm gonna say the next couple of weeks. I'm not gonna speedball anything, but the quickness with which it moved over these last couple of numbers, I'm talking about because it wasn't up on it number 20 ass this quick. This thing was back here, probably past the top 30 not too long ago. You know what I mean? So definitely pay attention to that. Now let's go ahead and see who's really making some noise out here in the crypto space. All right, coming in right now, up 36%, only trading at 21 cents. We have Revain, which let me see. I'm not this isn't Raven, is it?
Nah,
Huh?
no, that's not.
No, this is Revan. Let me see. Hmm. Only 480. No, that's 484 million. My fault. Let's see. Starting to get that little wraparound I like to look for. Let me see what Marcus is being sold on. KuCoin, Alpha, Bit4X. Let me check that out. Hit BTC, Cryptopia is available on. A couple other choice ones. The most volume though is on BTC Alpha. After that, you have I forgot what it means. Okay, when you see these stars right here, that means they're not even adding it on with the overall calculations that they have, but they're just showing you it. I remember they used to do that with Binance at a point in time before they was honoring it. Let me see, KuCoin coming in at the third highest volume of $58,000, and that's within the last 24 hours. So this is up 41%. Let me see, maybe able to check it out. Let's see if we can find Revain. Nope. So Revain coming in at number one, up 36%, only trading at 21 cents, under a quarter for that one. Nexo still keeping his gains. I forgot who brought Nexo to us the other day. Definitely one to pay attention to. We've been having some good picks by the viewers lately. Nexo, Digitex Futures. I think it was Sister Tammy who was bringing Digitex Futures to the table. Peace, fam. I see we got a couple of viewers. What's going on, family? How we doing out there? Great rising, great rising, great rising. Hey, if y'all can, go ahead and check in. Let me know what your name is, where you're checking in from, city, state, country, if you're checking in outside the country. Also, let me know if there's any coins that you may want to take a look at, anything we can run over. Vertasium still in the race, trading at $39, up 12%. Nexo's at 18 cents, up 27%. Stratus, I know last night when we were looking, Stratus was number one. We had Raven, Mobile, Metaverse, which I got to check out. I forgot what Metaverse was, but I definitely want to check them out.
Metaverse is on Ethereum Enterprise Alliance.
It is?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Interesting. Running right now, up 9%, only trading at $3.07. Raven Coin up 10%, trading at 5 cents. Mobile Go, this thing's been performing, man, monster. Hold on, let me show
You
you.
see the chart on that? That's a nice chart too.
Man, mom, nice chart, monster. Hold on, let's bring this up. Came up and hit that blue fib. Hold on, let me take some of this off of here. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect execution. Let me see. What you think? But break down and retest from here. Pull back. Gotta have a pullback.
Oh yeah.
Let me see, or start a new cycle because we breaking through.
What's that?
The end of the month is here. This Mobile Go.
Go on the setup so you can change the colors right quick on the Fibonacci.
Uh huh.
And all those black ones, turn them white.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna see if it was hitting it is right on there.
Damn, hold on. In fact, let me do that with a couple of them, and then let me save it also. Definitely wasn't thinking about that. Let me see. Default.
Hold
Save.
on, brighten them up some though before you save it. Oh, you gonna leave them dark like that? Okay.
Bring these up a tad bit. There we go. Let me see. That's better, Bino.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so that blue one is definitely
Now, I'm gonna tell you what's interesting about this green bottom right here. When I was looking at, we're gonna shoot over the arc real quick. I think arc was the one I was looking at earlier that just created this green bottom. What's this? Let's see. There we go. We didn't even really tap it. Arc definitely running real nice right now. Very, very, very nice.
hmm
Let me see. We could definitely see a run to 1490. I'm gonna show you what the measure move is. Though. The measure move so crucial. Hold on. Let me see. We pull from the swing high to the low, and then take this and bring this right on top of our breakout. Look, the measure move damn near smack dab on point with the blue. In fact, it is. What's that? 3110. We trading at what right now? 1322. Man, that's a good damn good call right there. I can almost guarantee we're gonna hit. Now, is this gonna be some overnight next week? No, it really doesn't work like that. I think that's one of the main things I get asked: win, 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 win. You know what I'm saying? When is it gonna do this? When is it gonna do that? I gotta tell people honestly. I mean, I'm not. I can't knock it down to a time. You know what I mean?
yeah.
The best I can
Oh,
do
we
is
all
show
be
you.
rich then.
And man, being I'm talking about filthy rich. If I was like, you know what, Bitcoin's gonna break out on such date. That's why when people do the whole price prediction thing, I'm all about. I don't do that. I just read charts, and I can tell you where it might go according to the chart, but I can and it's gonna do it according to the chart. You know what I mean?
You keep fading in and out a little bit though.
I do.
Yeah, you good
Okay,
now though.
I'm good. Okay, oh, that's because I was moving around. My fault. My fault. Grand Rising, DJ King, what's going on with you? Peace, power, and prosperity to you, broski. Let me see. That's art. Let me see. What was another one? KMD, Komodo. There's another one. We're gonna be paying attention to these altcoins today. Like I said, the main market pretty much ain't doing jack. These altcoins though, man, you already see what they're doing. This is Komodo. We're using that blue now as support. Let me see. Where do we just come from? Okay, hold on. Let me put my little spin on this real quick. Let me get in here. Man, wait till I get one of them little stations like Stark had in Iron Man where he was just touching everything and mid-air moving it. I swear to God, I'm gonna have one of them for this crypto shit. Watch. Starts in midair. Ooh, look at that. Hold on, what we trading at right now? 22. Hey, 2267 is the target right now. That's the price to beat and turn into some type of support. I'm talking about it came down flawlessly, and man, this should be beautiful when we see it hit like this. So we can definitely see a where's our 50 at? It's our 50 right here at 3075 roughly, 31, 3082. Let me see. Let me check the whole measure. In fact, let me do this 20 high. So if we break, the measure is right here. That's where your ultimate take profit. I mean, not, you know what I'm saying? You're going to take profit way before this, but you could definitely play it to about 48. That's the measure. Let me see. Positive momentum coming in on the RSI. We're a bit overbought. You're looking good on MACD, though. Looking real good on the MACD. Like I said, we can see a bit of a pullback on RSI. Look at 50 at right there. Yep, see them bounces. So definitely see a pullback on the RSI to about 64 maybe. See the bounce. This is Komodo. We've done Arc, Komodo. Um, let me see. Oh fuck, it's 9 o'clock. Apologize for my language. Bino, was brother Kennedy, what's going on? I'm just here feeding my son and listening. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Good stuff, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's slide over to the stock side of things real quick. I forgot we did just open the market. Hold on, let me see. Anything else? Raven, Komodo, Zcash. Real quick before we go, let me take a look at Raven. Now, another one that I recently called, very good call, was Keycoin. I don't know if anyone has been paying attention, but man, Key at what, 80, 89, 90, 95, saying that it was something that should have been considered and looked at. Ravencoin right now came down. I'm talking about honored like a mug, honored, dumped up right now, finding resistance at the upsloping trend line. All we gotta do is get past this, turn this into some type of support. We're gonna continue to rally, but on a grand scale, Raven looking very nice still. The setup is nice. We do got low levels of volume though, as you can see. Um, Positive momentum still holding up though. So, I mean, what's this? Yep, Raven and hold on, MDA. That was our drop I was looking at for MDA. So definitely be careful with this one. Let me take this off real quick. This one you want to be careful with. It started forming a descending triangle. Y'all can see. Hold on, go back 4 hours. So, I mean, if we drop, you're looking at a drop down here to about 1378, roughly 1400. So, I mean, it's something I would be careful playing with right now. I wouldn't advise jumping in, no matter how good the setup. And you know, the setup doesn't look good right now. So, you know what you got for us over there on the stock side? What's the first thing you want to pull up over there?
Let me see. You can go ahead and check out that pure chart. I haven't checked out any charts or anything yet.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if we up and
Oh
running.
yeah, PRA. Yeah.
Ah, there we go. We got a little action now. Negative momentum on the MACD. RSI starting to turn around. Is that 50? Let me see. So now I just passed up 50.
Okay.
There we go.
Already doing a little pullback. I see. Think it went up to 20, sitting at about 16% right now.
You watching it in real time, correct?
Yeah, I was watching it in real time.
Right.
I think it's at
Where's it at on your side?
give me a second. Pure is 15%, 15.68.
Okay, we only at 12.4 here, so yeah, we a little bit behind. Oh, we got hour 30 left in this 2 hour candlestick. Let me see.
Okay,
So we can
good.
definitely see resistant. Oh, we already passed this though. That's crazy. What you say we had Bino at 15 what?
1586.
Okay. Do got a bit of resistance right there, which was support at 1594. Let me see. Also, I don't know, did it stop at like 15.5 at all or anything?
Yeah.
15,
Nah, it's not showing.
14. Let me see. So we definitely gonna have
Yeah.
some resistance at about 1644. Above that at 20 cent, and 25 cent is coming full circle right back around, testing those previous highs we were at.
And most of them are getting killed right now. But a lot of them were a lot of people was focused on the Canadian stocks. I think right now, we might need to look into a lot of these American cannabis stocks starting to ramp up and getting ready for production and stuff like that because everybody was buying into the hype of legalization in Canada. And since that passed up, everybody's been kind of dumping. So we got to wait for another catalyst kind of for that to run.
Right.
So kind of like looking into the American ones are good as well too. One good company that's doing a lot of things in the American space is MedMen.
What's the
No,
ticker?
you don't have to put it there. No, MEDMEN. I don't know the ticket. There it goes.
Real nice. I'm talking about this right here. Shit,
And
people like,
it's a fairly new one too. Well, not new, but it just did a stock split not too long ago. Um, they got if you want to go check out their website right quick, kind of shows all their locations. They got some pretty prime locations for cannabis company in America.
hold on, let me see. Hmm. Definitely. Let me see. Coming into positive momentum on the Mac. Wrap around on the RSI. Volume coming in. Volume coming in looking nice. Got a couple of green bars on the hour chart. Real strong candlestick though. Let me see. Through the day. Is this today? 25th? Yep. So I mean, man, real strong opening. Still pumping. So looking real nice right now on MedMen. You say check out the website.
Yeah, I sent you a link. I sent you
Nah,
a link for it.
I ain't even got not
Oh,
on this
okay.
on this one. You can send it through Google Hangouts though if you want.
Go to the Wikipedia right there, and then it should have the website right there in the box where it says MedMen. Yeah, all the way at the bottom of the box.
Hmm. Here we go. Looks like Kmart. That's funny how they play with these colors, man. It's funny how they play with these colors, man. Let me see. No, I don't want you to remember. Blah 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 blah. Let's see. Happy Halloween for Med, man. That's so crazy how they just advertise weed now. Um, Let me see. So elaborate a little bit on what they got going on, Bino.
If you want to go to their stores at the top where it says stores,
Uh huh.
so it lists all their locations. So you can see they got a couple prime locations in California, Nevada, New York. A matter of fact, hold on, click back out of that. Just right there on the left hand side, it lists the locations. So you can see LAX airport right by the airport, one in Beverly Hills, one in downtown Los
Mm-hmm.
Angeles,
West
and then
Hollywood, Nevada, New York.
and then you see
Exactly.
in New York they got one on Fifth Avenue and Syracuse, Buffalo. So it's a pretty big operation. They got a couple nice stores. So just keeping an eye out for a lot of these um American companies that are running and stuff like that, because a lot of these ones that we've been looking at were Canadian, and I was
Hmm.
focusing more on that because of the hype around the legalization. So
Right.
now moving into a different sector or something like that.
They had their little runs. I mean, I ain't gonna say the run is over with, but for the most part, the hype is over with. People got the rumor, sold the news, so now it's
Yeah,
back
yeah,
to organic.
yeah. They definitely need a new catalyst or something like that to run. So that's what we're looking out for. What I'm saying, who's gonna put out different news? Another good ones to be looking at are the breathalyzer companies.
Mm.
Any cannabis breathalyzer companies, with this legalization, especially in Canada, looking for somebody who's basically gonna help them with that department. I know one in particular that's kind of leading the field is Hound Labs, but they're not a publicly traded company yet.
Hmm.
As far as publicly traded, excuse me, publicly traded, you got BLOZF, Cannabis Technologies. This one right here is a company based in Canada that's supposed to be specializing in making breathalyzers.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. Real nice play. Real nice play, especially where it came down and settles at 23. That could be prime. So this is prime buy area right here. Real easy. You can see
Yeah, it's been
25.
sitting there for a while.
And it's steady retesting. I mean, we got one, two, three. I mean, four, five, countless. And with positive reactions though, with positive reactions from it. We got one solid, one, two solid, three solid, four solid. We're gonna see what this one does. I mean, if I'm going off past history, I'm entering here and I'm looking to take profit at the bare minimum at what's that, $1.28 at the bare minimum, like $1.60. You know what I mean? Because you can easily see that we're easily gonna hit the 38. You know what I'm saying? Now you trying to run it up to the 50 is kind of steep. You know what I'm saying? Though we've seen it's made it countless times, but just to be within a safe range, buy the 23, sell the 38. That's how I would play this one. Let me see what type of and that's easily 24% range. Like, come on, man. Hold on. So I'm gonna leave that right there. That's 23%. So let's just say if how far back does this go? Let me see. This is April. So let's just say we would have been playing this from April, the same range. We could clock 23. We'll say 20. We'll round it up 25%. 25, 50, 75. That's 100. And now we're looking for our next 25%. So already just playing in this safe little range from about April 10th up until around the end of September, you'd have clocked in 100% gains. Just playing a safe range from 28 to 38. I mean, 23 to 38 right here. That's it. In between these two fib lines. Real nice. Real nice. Let me see. Negative momentum coming in on the MACD. Same thing on the RSI. We're going straight to the tank. So, I mean, I would not something that, let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Where's our bottoms at, though? Could come down and retest. I mean, it's at those levels where you definitely want to start making a decision as far as are you going to buy a couple now, buy them on the way down, whatever the case may be. Got anything next for us, Bino?
As far as another couple companies, I'm not sure what the charts are looking like, but LCTC, that's another one. LifeLock Technologies,
L, what is it?
LCTC.
Here we go. Ugh, I don't like these little choppy things.
So yeah, this one right here, I believe they only had like 2 million shares. I mean, like the share structure is real small, but
Right.
they're actually the company who already supplies breathalyzers for the law enforcement. They
Okay.
they are they supply alcohol breathalyzers for the law enforcement agency. So this one had a nice little run way back when all the hype came out first about the cannabis, because they already make breathalyzers, what I'm saying, for the law enforcement. So it'd be easier for them to get a deal, with the law enforcement agency if
Right.
they could produce a cannabis breathalyzer. But it's still a lot of speculation around the ability to actually create a cannabis breathalyzer and stuff like that right
Right.
now.
Right.
So
Right. People are basically going to be buying into an idea at the end of the day.
exactly, because there's still no, they have a couple solid machines out right now. Like I said, the leader right now is Hound Labs, but they're not even a publicly traded company.
Mm-hmm.
But they already have a device, and they launched in California, did a couple tests and stuff like that, and got some good feedback. So it's definitely going to be one in the making, even if it's going to be fake. You know what I'm saying? They definitely going to have one to monopolize it on in the market.
Right. Hold on. Let me see some I want to take a look at. If this is the right, what was it? Hologram USA. That's what it was. Hologram USA. Let me see how this is looking. It's the hologram USA I told you about. Holo. Ha, hot. Ain't that something? Let me see. $8. Okay. So this is something that I'm view the latest IPOs. Hmm. This is their website. This is something that people should be on the lookout for. Hologram USA Network, live hologram sports. They bring this is the future. This when I look at this company, this stock, it's almost like me looking at cryptocurrencies with what they have going on. And this is something that I got personal knowledge of as far as what they have um in store for the future of entertainment, and it's strictly holographic. You know what I'm saying? I've seen a holographic Tupac with my own eyes with the technology that these people have. So this right here is definitely something that you want to pay attention to. Let me see. Hmm. Facebook, Twitter. Okay, I'm gonna join all. I'm gonna follow all that. But I definitely want that Chief Keef. That looks like Chief Keef in the background, don't it? I swear to God, that looks like Chief Keef. This look like Kevin Gates. And whose neck is this? It's got to be Rihanna's neck. That's crazy how they even marketing this company like this. Oh, it is. Look, it just says Chief Keef's hologram icons. Huh.
Oh yeah.
I guess I was on point. Let me see. Since 2003, Hologram USA delivered over 700 successful projects and made a groundbreaking change in the way people experience live events and communicate. Hey, bullshit ain't about nothing though. Dude, this rapper Chief Keef having a holographic concert, he shitted on every rapper out there. I ain't gonna lie. I don't listen to do music or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Nothing against him. He from the land. I mean, it's not nothing I listen to. But just the simple fact that he had a holographic version of himself do a live concert, and that's huge. That's groundbreaking, especially with something that's going to go down on his resume as the first to do. You know what I'm saying? Because I think the only other rapper they ever did that was with Tupac, correct?
Yeah, they actually talking about Amy Winehouse is about to be the first person to do a world tour hologram.
Wow, wow. And what's
Yeah, that.
crazy about this? Something that I would want to ask: who owns the rights to these holograms? And that's crazy because now they can check off people from the dead. Like that's serious
Hmm.
to a whole nother level. Like okay, they died. Check it out. We can still do concerts. We can still like that shit lightweight spooky, but I'm gonna leave all that alone. That's a conversation for you to have. That's some conjuring ass shit, boy.
Oh yeah,
My
definitely,
language.
definitely.
My language. That's man crazy. But let me see. We're going on. We got about 15 minutes left in the early rise and show of coffee, crypto, and cannabis stocks. Let's see, what have we looked at? We looked at mobile, ARC, Komodo, mm, Wine Chain. Let me look at Wine Chain real quick. I know I get a lot of people asking about Wine. Let me see. Wine Chain versus Bitcoin on Binance. Okay, this might be our time. Let me see. Week, day. I'm telling you right now, this wraparound that we're seeing in a lot of these cryptos, man, people are not going to be taking advantage. I'm gonna tell you when people are going to jump in, Bino. Stuff like this.
When Bitcoin's 20,000,
Yep. And coins like this are going to be back up here
when Bitcoin's at 20,000, Ethereum's 1,200.
because people like to buy green. They like to buy green
Yeah,
cannabis. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
It's too much of a
They're like,
risk for
oh, Ethereum's up 500%. You think I should get in?
Bino. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised how many questions I get asked of when something has pumped. Like, like last time when Bitcoin pumped up to what was it, 7,000 on some? It went up almost 7,800 on Binance. People were hitting me up like, man, do you think now's a good time to get in Bitcoin? Like, damn, man, been watching my lives for the past 3 months saying you should buy Bitcoin around 59, 61, 62, 63. Not when it jumps up to 78. You know what I'm saying? You can't be scared to make those low investments, man.
Yeah.
Listen, this is my thing. If I am expecting Bitcoin to go back to $20,000, wouldn't I want to be grabbing it as low as I could, not waiting for some type of conference? Oh, well, I'm gonna wait till it gets to 8,000 before I buy any. I'm not gonna buy at 6,000. You know what I mean? I mean, let me not say that because there's been times where I've set buy limits waiting for a certain asset to get above a level of resistance. I've done that before, but I think Bitcoin could be played a little bit different than the rest of these coins, in my opinion. You know what I mean? As far as how you invest in it. Let me see. That's a hard dip out of Wand Chain. And I know a lot of people that are invested in Wand Chain just because something with the technology that they like. I know a lot of people invested in Wand
You
Chain.
said a wand?
Yeah,
Wand chain?
he brought know a lot of people that are invested in it that they are really expecting it to like go the extra mile. I wasn't trying to use that. That was a high. I'm trying to find something more. And the majority of them, when we look at them, Bino, this is where we're at. Like 80 to 90% of the coins I've been looking at that are on the wraparound, they're all coming up to that 23. All of them.
Mm.
So, okay, like when I look at one right here, I mean, you could be like, okay, I'm gonna enter here, then set a stop limit here, but that's taking an L. What I would do is I'll set a buy limit above the level of resistance. So we have 7, and you're still getting in nice. You know what I'm saying? I would set a buy level here and then use this as my stop limit price. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Versus
Definitely.
getting in here and being uncertain. But you know what I'm saying? You can actually see. Let me see. I mean, let me see. I guess you can set up. That's 11%. No, sir. That's 20%. So yeah, if you want to take a L of about 30% on a stop limit, that's a hell of a stop limit right there, boy. Let me see. 30 minutes. Let's see how we're looking in here. Okay, hey, check it out now. This is why you have to look at different time frames. Exactly, right here. Look at this. Look at the 30-minute. God damn it.
That shit taking off hard right now.
You say it's taking off.
What I get, that's a big ass candle set. What it, oh is it engulfing that other one way back when?
Hold on, let's see. This big red one.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Is it gaining all that back?
Damn, we damn near are. That's as tight as I can squeeze it. Let me see. The low, the high was 1707, the low was 1696. Low 1592 on this one, high 1613. So not quite all the way, but man, we engulfed the rest of this shit, I think. Pretty much. Well, now we got it's looking nice though. We coming around. Let me see. This is a 30-minute. Let me see. 2 hours.
Definitely looking real nice. You seen the you seen it on the cycles?
No, in fact, let me turn them on.
We just created it on a day.
Just created that green bottom, huh? Oh no,
Yeah.
it's 2 hour. Hold on. Oh, yep. What is this down here? So yeah, just now creating that green bottom. That's a pot, man. Man, there was a couple of coins. Where did I see that at? There's a couple of them where I've seen that were just creating that green bottom. Definitely not Stratus. Those Stratus has just created a green bottom. We see we got an upsloping trend line on Stratus, downsloping trend lines to the upside. Let me see. Measured move. I think I did this one already. I did. Measure move on Stratus. You can see right there straight up to the blue fib. And that's pulling it from this swing high to this swing low. And that's what we break back up here. Now, if we slide ourselves down here and wait for this break, you see we got to run up damn near to the green fib right here. So the Stratus looking real nice. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the amount of look at the volume coming in the Stratus right now. MACD, positive momentum coming in. A bit over. Well, now are we there yet? Not quite there, but going over into overbought territory on the
Oh
RSI with
yeah.
Stratus versus definitely something you want to pay attention to. Oh, you know what? Last couple of minutes, Bino. Let's go ahead and take a look at something real quick. Was that Voyager?
Oh yeah,
Last
Voyager.
10 minutes. Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the last 10 minutes, what we're going to take a look at real quick. And we're going to do a more in-depth look at this, but there's a company out right now, crypto company that I've been taking a look at. A lot of people have been, I ain't gonna say spamming me with it, but I've been getting tagged in like at least 10 get $25 free of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, whatever the case may be. Iola Hickman, what's going on, Queen? How you doing? How you doing? Peace, power, and prosperity. The new favorite place to invest crypto. So what they're stating is, number one, this is a trade, a commission-free platform. You earn $25 in Bitcoin credit for signing up early, and $25 for each friend that you open an account. Correct? So there's a couple of things that didn't sit right with me about this platform. And I know Bino, me and you have looked into it a little bit. What, just your personal opinion, Bino? Just not even on the platform as far as it itself, just a referral platform. Them being able to say they're going to give $25 to every single person that signs up, and it has
And
to sign up.
am
How
I
sustainable, I guess I should say, is that?
um well, I could definitely see it happening in
You
them
know,
giving out 25 and yeah. Yo, can you hear me?
yo, you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yo,
Yo, yo.
I don't know, we may have lost
Any
Bino.
No,
Let
I'm
me
sorry.
see. I'm just going to go through this real quick. This is the
Yo, yo.
referral program and how it works. So you sign up for early access, you receive 25 BTC credit. Remember, BTC credit. This is just credit, not BTC. So let's just say
Yo,
they
yo.
show BTC right now at 6,000, and when the platform opens,
Yo.
BTC is $10,000. I doubt they're gonna let you get the profit of the BTC from now up to the BTC.
Hey, you can't hear me?
What's going on, Bino?
Okay, okay. I don't know what happened, why it cut out like
Family,
that.
if
Oh,
am I breaking in and out? Also, family, if y'all can, let me know if I'm breaking in and out. Let me know if if y'all can hear me. I know
now you
Bino was
been
breaking in and out real bad. Let me know if that's me too.
Hey, go ahead and call me right back in then.
Bino, can you hear me? Yeah, see, something's not right. Brother Kennedy, Mr. Iola, can y'all hear me as of right now? Okay, I'm clear. Okay, I'm clear. All right. Hold on. Bino,
Yeah, can you hear me?
hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello? Bino,
You
can
still
you hear
can't
me?
hear me? Yeah, you still can't hear me?
Yo, hello?
Yo, yo.
Okay, yeah, they say Bino breaking up. I'm clear. I'm just gonna run through this real quick. We only got about 5 minutes left. Me and Bino try to come back for a midday show. We'll clear things up. But real quick, just a couple of things that stood out about this. Okay, what price of BTC is Voyager using when issuing? Okay, how's the amount of BTC determined, and what price of BTC is Voyager using when issuing? The value of issued BTC credit will be determined at the time of issuance. Pricing will be based on market pricing quoted in the Voyager trading application. A couple of other things. There are a limit to how much BTC I can earn. Currently, there is a maximum of 100 accepted shares. We encourage you to keep referring your heart out until your dashboard shows that 100 friends have accepted your invite. If you feel you will surpass this limit, please contact us. Basically saying if you think you can get more than a huncho, go ahead and hit us up, and saying we'll accommodate you. Now the thing about that is, okay, at 100 people, $25 a pop, that's $2,500, correct? $2,500 a person. So let's just say you and we'll say what, 10 of your friends, and that's just you and one group of people. Think how many people are doing this all across the United States. So you mean to tell me, let's just say they had 100 people that act, and this is not a lot. When we look at United States population, let's just say there was 100 people that was able to get 100 referrals, right? That would be an equivalent of what, $250,000, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So you mean to tell me that this company is just starting up? It's going to give you commission-free trading. Has over $250,000 to fork over. I mean, in my opinion, it's hard to fathom. Now, another thing. Hold on, Bino told me to try to call him back in. Let me see if I can get him back in one more time, family. Let me see if I can get him back in one more time. Let me see. How do I refer my friend? Okay, check this out. When will I receive my BTC? Now, your earned BTC will require
Can
an
you hear me
active
now?
Voyager account. BTC bonus sign-up bonuses will be issued within 60 days of your opening a Voyager account. Referral bonuses will be issued within 60 days of the referred individual's Voyager account. That's 2 months.
Am I
Within
clear
2
now?
months. Let me see. When will Voyager do my rewards expire? Can I withdraw my BTC credit from my Voyager account? Okay, check it out. So not only, I mean, of course they can issue it to you, but that doesn't mean you'll be able to take it out. So we want to figure out when can we take it out. Once the BTC credit is issued in your account, withdrawals are restricted to a 90-day period after they are deposited into your account. After this period, you may withdraw your BTC to an external wallet or transact it based on your account permissions. So not only are you getting it 2 months, but add on another 3 months. You're looking at probably anywhere from 4 to 5 months before you can touch the BTC that they're giving you freely. So that's $2,500 just sit there in your wallet. You can look at it. You know, I guess it could jump around with the price of Bitcoin, but this is what I'm going to tell you that they're going to do. In order for you to start transacting, they're going to ask you to go ahead and put your own money in there. You understand what I'm saying? As of right now, you know, we have your bonus money saved. It's there, it's sustained. Don't worry about it. But in the meantime, why don't you, deposit some BTC to us and start doing your own little thing? You know what I'm saying? Until we release your funds. You
Hey,
know?
can you hear me now?
What's going on, Bino?
All right, man. My bad.
Bino.
Damn, I'm still breaking up.
Bino, man, he's still having problems. He's still. I mean, can y'all hear him? Can anybody hear Bino? Is it just? It might be on my end. Let me know, Miss Iola. Can you hear Bino? Is that just me? She said. Okay. Earlier she said I can hear both. Let me know. Could you hear both of us? Hmm. Okay. Bino's got to do some running around. Now, something else that was interesting when I was, because I read through the fine print, and when we talk about contract law, nationality, corporate entities, ens legis, which is a corporate created creature, you know, much like your name in all caps with a social security number. But and then you have natural persons, you know what I'm saying, what they call natural persons, not to be confused with the ens legis. So, man, where was it? I was reading in here and I came across those very words. I'm trying to see where I've seen them at. Let me see. Using your referral link. Man, where did I see this at? It was interesting when I seen the word play. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, they up on it. Because they were basically saying that you had to be a natural person. So let me see. Sign up, referral link. I must be a resident of the United States and qualify for a Voyager account. Let's see. Each friend. Man, where did I see that at? It was real interesting when I read it. I'll find it and I most likely screenshot and then share on my YouTube channel. I mean on my Instagram page. Uh, Damn, they said they could hear him. Yeah, well, he's out of here now. And it's 9:30, family. I want to thank everyone that tuned in for this early rising show of Coffee Crypto and Cannabis Stock. Um, for those that don't know, you can follow me on Facebook, Amir Hodari, AmirHodari. Also on Instagram, Chicago_crypto_block_bully. Twitter, Chicago, crypto, and the number 4. To the next video, this is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.